In this video, let's see how to reset multi-factor authentication for an admin or instructor user in the admin panel. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the navigation bar. Select My Company from the drop-down menu. Click on the Users tab in the navigation bar. Select Admins or Instructors from the drop-down under the Users tab. Click the pencil icon next to the admin user. In the Edit User panel, click on the Authentication button. In the Authentication panel, click the Reset icon next to Multi-Factor Auth Method. In the pop-up, click OK to confirm the reset of multi-factor authentication. Now the admin user can log in and set up the multi-factor authentication again. Click the X to close the user panel.